Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. This is Val and it's time for our jewelry making fun collab. On the 18th of every month, there's a jewelry making fun collab sponsored by Deb Hook of Dahlia Designs. And myself and other creators make pieces of jewelry, and we have different kind of challenges or parameters that we have to use around certain like colors or gemstones or materials. And so it's that time again because it's September 18th. Today our theme is like autumn, so we have to use autumn colors. We have to use any combination of orange, yellow, red, green, or brown. And another part of our challenge is to use gemstone beads like agates or jasper beads. And the last part of the challenge is incorporate leaf pendants and charms. And actually, I think I did all three of those today. I definitely have some pieces here that are like fall themed with those different colors. Let's see if I can find some. I think to me, copper, since it's brown, it kind of reminds me of that kind of fall theme. So I'm gonna start small. I made some little bitty earrings here that are leaves and they're copper. Yeah, they are. And I put a little heart there above the leaf, kind of like symbolizing the love of fall or nature or whatever. But that's a bronze colored heart, and then of course a copper colored leaf. So that's my first piece. I did just get some leaf charms not too long ago, and I was so glad to see that I could use that in this challenge or this collab for the month. Let's see what else I've got here. I've got what I just made had the leaves, but let's go on to something different. So I've got something here that's kind of bronze, and I've got red and green in there. So I thought I would, and tan, like kind of neutral tone. And there's little dragonflies at the bottom. So I thought I would include that. To me, that kind of looks like fall, neutral tones there. So I have that pair of earrings, and I did another similar pair, but this time with copper. Kind of those, still the same shade of beads there, neutral tones, but then a copper flower at the bottom. So I have these. And let's see, oh, I do have another one. I see another leaf pair up here. There's some more leaves with like the howlite turquoise beads. So just a little dainty pair of leaf earrings. That would have been nice too, I guess, with a green, like to represent nature, or maybe different colors of green. Let's see, what else have I got here? I've got a pair of copper earrings that I'm going to include just because I think copper is a really fun color for the fall. And so that's what I've got this week. I've got oh I thought I had something with some gemstone beads, and I did find those. Got another pair of leaves here with, this time, some jasper beads. I knew I had some, I just couldn't spot them on my desk here, but there's another pair of fall leaf beads with jasper. So this definitely has the combination of red and kind of an orangey color and like green there and brown. So, and it's got use of those colors with the gemstones. So I think that pair probably has the best use of all three of the parts of the challenge, that pair. So I concentrated on my earrings this time. I do have a necklace that we could kind of incorporate and use for the fall. It's not quite choker length, but it's a little leather cord necklace here. See if I can get it on camera. There's a copper toned heart charm there, and it's like a tan leather, and it's 8 inches off your neck, so it's not quite a choker, but it's not really long either. So I think that would go good with anything I've made there that's kind of has copper in there, kind of mixed pieces or whatever. It reminds me of the fall just because of the copper color. So that's the only thing I have that wasn't earrings. I kind of concentrated on earrings this time. But anyways, please watch all of the other wonderful creators under in the description area. Watch their wonderful channels and what they have come up with. And I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.